What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back for another social media tip video. In this tip video, this is to accompany my Linktree website blog post, and it kind of explores getting more referral traffic from Instagram on your posts. One of the biggest gripes that I have with Instagram is that you can't directly link posts in your captions. You have to have a mention to your user profile and refer your traffic to the link in your bio. So a viewer will click on your mention, go to your profile, click the link in your bio, and then get directed to your site. And that's kind of a bad practice in the grand scheme of digital marketing, where you want to direct your traffic to your desired action in as few clicks as possible. And the other thing is that because of the way the Instagram algorithm works, you might be directing consumers, or rather various users, from different posts to click the link in your bio, but you can only have one link in your bio, right? So some users might be clicking on your content that they weren't even looking for because it's only going to one landing page. And the whole premise of Linktree is that you can use it to connect to your Instagram profile and create a custom link that directs traffic to a link tree. So when users click on that custom link you send your profile, it directs them to a separate page with all of your archived links that will then direct them to your desired page or post. And you can have as many links as you want. In my link tree I have about 5 or so. And it's really intuitive and simple to use. All you have to do is connect your Instagram profile to your Linktree account, and then you just have to add your links. So you can click this add new button in link, and then all you do is you just edit your title, and then include the URL to where you want to direct your traffic. And it's literally as simple as that. I'm going to delete this really quick. And the cool thing with Linktree is that it gives you an idea of what it will look like on your mobile view, right? In the right-hand side here as a live preview. And you can also play with the settings and the color scheme by hitting the settings button up here. I apologize. And with the free option of Linktree, you only have a few, custom options and themes to choose from. And they offer a couple of paid plans through their Linktree Pro. And there's a couple of different pros and cons to the free versus the paid version of the app or the platform. And that just kind of includes more of, setting custom parameters, seeing a day-by-day breakdown of link traffic, that sort of thing. And while I like the premise of Linktree, it goes back to that best practice for digital marketing, where you're trying to direct your traffic in as few clicks as possible to your desired action. So it now offers more links to encompass different users from different posts, but now they have to go to your profile from your post and then click on the link, and then they get taken to a link tree, and then they have to scroll through various links to see which post they need to click on, and then they click on it, and then it directs to your site. And for my purposes as a blogger, this isn't that big of a deal, because my goal is to just have my users or my viewers reading my content. But if you're trying to sell products or get people to sign up for newsletters or emails or what have you, then not only have they taken 3 to 4 clicks to get to your site, but then they haven't even started to explore and look at products and figure out if they want to purchase something. And that's just not a good best practice in my mind. So a good alternative to Linktree that I kind of researched and looked into as I was writing that post for Linktree is to make your own custom landing page. And what I ended up doing, let me pull up my other browser here, is I created my own unlinked landing page, put it in my bio, and so users will click on it. And instead of using Linktree as that intermediary, I created my own landing page with my top 10 most recent posts for people to scroll through and look at. And actually, that's actually given me more click-throughs from Instagram to my website, and it has also garnered a higher average session time. So out of all my referral traffic from social media, Instagram is just killing it for me right now, where the average time spent on my site is 7 minutes and 10 seconds from Instagram, and that's bonkers to me. But anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, be sure to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time for the latest social media tip video.